Sometimes in the middle of the night I can hear the voices of the world outside. Everybody wants a piece of my soul. Feel like running, but there's nowhere to hide. I can reach for a word or a thought or a prayer, but I feel like I'm just talking to myself. Then I remember your voice and your face. I remember there is somebody else. Sometimes I wanna throw it all away and just leave us two. Let the world go on without me. I can never go on without you. Both ends burning the candle. It's much too hard to handle, and the flame can do me some harm. The healing feeling brings me to life when I fall into your arms. The words that I speak are only words in the air, and they fall wherever they may. My voice is not the same without you entering back. Like a train running without any track. I get lost, I derail. Sometimes I'm afraid to fail, and at times all those fears become true. But none of that seems to matter at all when I know that I can turn to you. Sometimes I wanna throw it all away, just leave us two. Let the world go on without me. I can never go on without you. Both ends burning the candle. It's much too hard to handle, and the flame can do me some harm. The healing feeling brings me to life when I fall into your arms. The steps that I walk keep me miles ahead, and still I feel as slow as the rainy days. All the money in the bank could never make me smile, not as much as all the thanks and the praise. And then there are days when it feels I can do nothing right, so I try to do right by you. In a world that's never settled, like a boiling kettle, I have to fight to make time for you.